Alright, every time I make a new video, you guys complain that hey, that thing is way beyond the budget of an average gamer. And to some point, you guys are right. Gaming peripherals these days are way too much expensive to buy without breaking the bank. And this is the main reason I made this video especially for you guys to tell you how to purchase a best budget gaming mouse under 500 Pakistani rupees, which you can also buy online. And by the way, I'm doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you're subscribed to Z4 Gaming. And let's get started. Now first on the list we have Master Backlight M6 gaming mouse. For some reason it was shipped in a Mantis mouse box, but who cares if it performs as it should. It's made of light plastic body which is still durable. The weight is approximately 40 grams and there are white textures in the mouse which are obviously for showing the RGB lights underneath it. The RGB light has 7 color modes and obviously it is not software or manually controlled. However, when the mouse is glided, the LEDs flicker, giving off a cool effect. The scroll wheel is smooth and the buttons are not so clicky, and with 1200 dpi sensitivity, this mouse has a price tag of 349 rupees only at the time of review. Coming up on second one, we have a wireless gaming mouse. It's not original Dell mouse, but the build quality and the performance of this mouse cannot be neglected, especially if the price is just 375 rupees. This mouse is small in size and designed for claw grippers. The plastic is hard and durable, and there is the DPI sensitivity adjustment button on top, and for some reason it says CPI, but the button serves the purpose just fine. Also, we have the forward and rear function reprogrammable buttons on this mouse, which unfortunately our other gaming mice do not. This mouse is wireless and the receiver is placed underneath the mouse right out of the box. With a fully charged battery, this mouse gives a continuous gameplay time of 16 hours, after which I started to feel lag in response. But overall speaking, this mouse is exceptional wireless gaming mouse under 500 rupees. Third on the list we have LiShe gaming mouse. It resembles our first Master M6 gaming mouse completely in design, but differs in RGB modes obviously and build quality. This mouse is a little better built than the RGB modes do not flicker and stay in rainbow modes all the time. The cable is also sturdy and optical sensor is rated up to 1200 dpi sensitivity, and with the price tag of obviously 300 rupees under 500, this mouse is a solid purchase. Last but not the least is my personal favorite, the Master M9 gaming mouse. It has a rubberized feel on the top plastic body which is very durable, and the RGB illumination is featured on whole top body. It feels good to grip in hands while gaming, and with 4000 dpi sensitivity, this mouse stands a champion. Amongst all the mice discussed so far, the buttons are very clicky and tracking is very precise. The scroll wheel has amazing traction and all of those specs just for a price tag of 500 rupees at the time of review. I tried playing CSGO and Apex Legends on these mice, and honestly speaking, these mice worked like charm and I had no complaints regarding their performance whatsoever. Now I'm not saying that these are the best gaming mice out there, but if you're someone who don't want to spend more than 500 rupees on a gaming mouse, these mice are the absolute deal. The purchase links of these mice are in the description below. Now I'm doing a giveaway of these gaming mice for my subscribers. If you want to secure a gaming mouse for free, hit that subscribe button and enter the giveaway I'm conducting from the link in the description. With that being said, until next time my friends, goodbye.